growing stronger every day.
In India, there was a man named Miro.
He had a newborn calf at home and was very fond of it. Every day, he would lift the calf with both hands. Day after day, he can still carry the calf with both hands.
As the calf grew bigger day by day,
Miro continued to lift it daily.
as the calf grew bigger day by day,
Miro continued to lift it daily. In less than 2 years,
the calf had grown into a full-grown cow.
yet Miro was still able to lift it, just as he had when it was a small calf.
one day he entered a cow lifting competition. All right, time to win this! Let's see what you've got. You think Milo managed to lift the cow? Watch the video until the very end to find out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos.
He managed to lift a full-grown cow.
As a result, he has won first place!
And became a famous strongman. Thank you all for this honor!
Hooray for Miro!
Who amazed the entire nation.
Incredible achievement! We're so proud! He did it! A hero!
The process of spiritual growth will inevitably involve trials and difficulties. I must keep moving forward. We need to continually train and equip ourselves to become stronger. Through perseverance, we grow stronger. By relying on the Lord, we can overcome every challenge and difficulty that comes our way.